Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Most of you guys, particularly the people in my Discord, they've asked a couple of times which apps I use for Forex trading or what apps are required or must have apps for Forex trading. So on today's video, I want to give you guys the top five. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus app at the end of the video. All right, these are free apps that you can download as soon as we're done with it. You don't need to buy apps from somewhere. I even see some people go as being as crazy as buying apps from other people to trade for us. No, these are all free apps that you can use, and these are apps that I'm using on a daily basis to make profits like this. All right, I don't need fancy apps. I don't need fancy indicators. These are the same apps I'm using on a daily basis to make profitable trades like this. Okay, so before we go into the video, I want to make something very clear. It doesn't mean, even though I say for every profitable Forex trader, at least you need these apps, but it doesn't mean if you don't have these apps, you're not going to be profitable. This is what is working for me, and I say, okay, let me recommend the same apps for you guys so that if you want to use the same apps I use on a daily basis, you'll be able to use it. I'm not affiliated to any of these apps. None of these apps are for sale. They are totally for free. All right, so I want us to start on from number 1 to number 5. And when we get to number 5, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus app that you guys see me using on a daily basis. All right, so without taking most of your time, let's get into the first app. I'm just going to be sharing my screen. Let me see if I can share my screen so that most of these things you guys can be able to. Let me share my screen with you guys. Okay, if you can see on my screen, let me make sure everything is recording. Recording started. Perfect. If you can see on my screen, all the apps are already. If you can look on my screen, I have particularly the front page of my screen. I have a lot of apps. So everything is very, very organized. And if I can start from MetaTrader right up to where you see Discord, everything is organized. Everything is very organized in order, all right? So the first app, the first most important, remember I'm starting from the most important app to the least one that I use. And these are the top five the top 5 apps that I use on a daily basis, all right? So the number 1 on my list is MetaTrader 5. This is my platform. I can't even talk about trading without talking about MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is an app like this. You can see currently I don't have any positions running, but this is MetaTrader 5. You can see this is MetaTrader 5. Here I can see my chart. I can do my analysis. You can see I have a lot of analysis. This is a trade I caught last week. I caught this move last week and I made almost about, this is the account. You can see that is the account. I made almost about $22,900 from this particular move from here to here. That is the same. That's MetaTrader 5, all right? MetaTrader 5 is the updated version of MetaTrader 4. So obviously you're going to be using the updated version. So MetaTrader 5 is the highest app that I use. Every day I must open this app. It is a must. On a daily basis, I must open MetaTrader 5. You can see everything is organized. All my currency pairs are organized. All my charts are organized. You can see everything is customized. So this is MetaTrader 5 and I use MetaTrader 5 on a daily basis. Good. Let's go to the next app on my list. The next app on my list is IC Market. You can see they have their app, and with IC Market, you can see if I go to IC Market, I can log into IC Market directly on my phone. The same way you log on IC Market on your browser, they have their app, and that is the best app that I can recommend. I have used more than 25 different brokers, all right? I have used more than 25 different brokers, but this is the best broker that I can recommend for everyone. So if you want to use the same broker that I'm using, if you want to use IC Market, the same broker that I'm using, and you want to make sure you are signing up with the right broker, check the link on the video description so that you can be able to use the same broker I'm using. Talking about IC Market, you can see this same profit I made, I withdraw, you can see withdraw, everything is through IC Market, all right? So the second app on my list, the second most important app that I use on a daily basis on my list is IC Market. Here, when I log on IC Market, I can withdraw directly on my phone. I can deposit directly on my phone. I can transfer funds from one account to another directly on my phone. So that is IC Market, and I use IC Market on a daily basis. Okay, let's go to the third app on my list. All right, the third app on my list is what I call investing.com. If you're a fundamental trader or you're a trader who just want to be informed about what is going on in the Forex market, then obviously you need investing.com. So investing.com, if I open the app, you can see the app is actually loading. But this is where you'll be able to see all the news events that are going on, everything that is going on in the Forex market. You'll be able to see everything on investing.com. So let me just try to log into investing.com so that I can just show you an example. Good. So you can see here we are on investing.com. And if I just have to check for this week, we have, I think NFP. I think NFP is coming up this week. Let me see. NFP is surely coming up on Friday. Where is Friday? Yes, NFP is coming up on Friday. And that is a fundamental news that I always trade. I have more than 3 different strategies that you can use for that you can use to trade the news. So if you want to be able to see those strategies and live trades that I've taken using those strategies, you can always check on my channel, the strategy strategy, the Godlove directional bias strategy. Then also I think there are 3 or 4 different strategies. There are even people. I think there's a post I even made about people copying my fundamental strategy and they are selling to other people. Guys, don't be fooled, don't be scammed. These strategies are for free on my channel. So you can see everything is on investing.com. I can see the news events that are coming on. I can filter my news. I can put the 3 bulls, the 4 bulls, the high impact news. Everything is on investing.com. Before the day starts, I come here to be able to see everything that is going on, to be able to do my analysis, to see particular news events that can be affecting my positions and stuff like that. So being informed, staying informed as a Forex trader, where I get my news 24/7 is on investing.com, and there is the app. Good. Let's go to the 4th app on my list. Remember, I'm talking from the most important or from the first to these are all important apps that I use. There are more than 200 apps that you can use in Forex, but these are my top apps that I use on a daily basis. Okay, let's go on the 4th app. The 4th app on my list is what I call SE. The full name is XE Currency Converter. All right, so you can just go on your app store, Android. Whatsoever. These apps are available on Android and on Apple. All right, so just go there and you check on XE Currency Converter. As a Forex trader, remember, you are already talking about currencies. And now you should be able to have a tool that can enable you to easily convert between one currency to the other without hitting your head, without going through the hassle of guessing currencies and all of that. So with XE, this one is very, 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 very simple. Just as the name goes, XE Currency Converter. If I want to be able to see the dollar against other currencies, I just come here. You can see I put $1. I can be able to see here $1 is equivalent to 75 Indian rupee. Is equivalent to 591 francs CFA. Is equivalent to 14. Is equivalent to 14.5 rand. Is equivalent to 1.3 Australian dollar. Is equivalent to 0.90 euro. So I can be able to see everything here, and here I can customize. You see, like I had to pay someone from India the other day. That's why I see Indian rupees right up here. So that if I come here and I want to pay the person $200, I just put there $200. Boom. Within a second, it converts everything. It shows me the $200 in Indian rupees, in francs CFA, that's Cameroon, obviously Cameroon money. Then in South African rand, I also know how much it will be in South African rand and stuff like that. So I can easily see. And here you can drag and drop. You can click here, you drag and drop. If this one is not, you don't want this one again, or if there's a currency you're looking at you don't see, let's just say I want to add Mozambique or Mozambique, you can see Mozambican Metica or whatsoever they call. I just click there, it is already on the list. All right, it is already on the list. And if I come here and I put $1, I put $1 or just $10 and I put on confirm, it will be able to show me how much is called $10 is in naira. In naira, that is equivalent to 4,157 naira. I don't know, it's naira, yeah. Then it shows me everything. You see, in Ghana cedis, 10 rand or $10 is equal to 75 Ghana cedis. So it shows me everything. Even if I want to see in Russian rupee, I don't know how they call it. Everything is right there. So I use this currency pair, or I use this particular app on a daily basis. Even when I want to be able to send funds back to Cameroon, or I want to be able to pay people who are designing my stuffs in Fiverr, I always just come here, I put in a dollar amount, and it converts everything according to the currency which I want to pay that person. And it avoids argument, it avoids confusion, because everything is clear. And this app automatically updates everything. It automatically updates the rate, and you don't need to be worried. You can see the rate is, as we are talking, the rate is updating. It's updating the rate. So you are very current with the current market rate. So as a Forex trader, this is a must-have app. A must-have app. Whether you're located in Nigeria, maybe you want to upload or you want to deposit $100 into your IC market account. You just come here and you put $100. You click on confirm. If you come down here, Nigerian rand, you can see that will be equivalent to 41,576 naira. All right, 1,000 naira. I just know, okay, I'm going to be hustling for 41,576 naira, so that it will be equivalent to $100. Everything is just there, so it gives you clarity. You know exactly where you're looking for. You know exactly how much you're paying, how much you're spending, and everything. You don't need to be second guessing, or you don't need to be going to Google. Everything is just on one app. So I've been using this app for years, and it is a must-have app for a Forex trader because it converts all the currency pairs that you're going to be using on a daily basis. Perfect. That is the fourth app on the list. Now let's go to the fifth app. The fifth app on the list is what I call Scree. Maybe you are located in a country where PayPal is not available, or you are located in another country where it is very difficult for you to do wire transfers through your bank. So maybe let's just say you have difficulties withdrawing your funds from your broker. Another easy way that you can use to withdraw your funds, no matter where you are located, another easy way you can use to withdraw your funds is what they call Scree. And I hope you guys already know Scree. So if I open Scree, you can see this is my Scree account. And when it comes to IC market, sometimes if I want to withdraw my funds, it's either I send it directly to my bank account, or I can withdraw it directly to my Scree account. As easy as that, I can withdraw it directly to my Scree account. Then from my Scree account, I withdraw to my bank account. Or even if I don't have a bank account, I can go to other popular websites like I think there's this other app they call Paxful. I can go to Paxful and I'll be able to convert Scree money to Bitcoin. When it's on Bitcoin, I can be able to do everything. I can be able to sell it to anyone. I can even convert Scree money to my local currency or whatsoever. So I'm going to be able to show you guys about Paxful in a minute, all right? So this is Scree and Scree. You can see recent transaction. I'm just going to show you one transaction from Scree, right? Let me just say, okay, see this one. Let me just open this transaction. Read. Can you see? Received from Trading Point Financial Instrument Limited. That's IC Market. Check down, you see. Marketing USD at tradingpoint.com. This one was received from IC Market, I think about 4 or 5 days ago. You see, so these are you can see transactions where I'm withdrawing my funds sometimes through my Scree, and I'm showing you guys the example. All right, so you can withdraw your funds directly to your Scree account, or you can withdraw your funds directly to your bank account. So it's good for you to have alternatives, so that if your bank account is having a problem, you can always use your Scree account. You can see transactions that I have hundreds of transactions pouring in on a daily basis. Can you see this? Can you see this, guy? These are just transactions and withdrawals coming in on a weekly basis through my Scree account. Perfect. So that is the fifth app on our list. That is the fifth app on our list. And remember, I mentioned that at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a bonus app. Before I even mention about the bonus app, guys, if you find this valuable, or if you've gained something from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, or don't forget to smash the like button. Please make sure you smash the like button on the video so that we can push the video to as many people as possible. Perfect. So now let's go to the bonus app. The bonus app on my list is more like a communal app. All right, it's more like a communal app. It allows you to be able to bond with other Forex traders, to be able to share with other Forex traders, which is what I call Discord. Most of you guys already know Discord, all right? Most of you guys already know Discord. As you guys know, I used to have a Telegram, I used to have different communities, but for now, I am, due to scams and a lot of impersonators, I am strictly on Discord. And on Discord, this is where you can actually have, you can see, These are all ideas. If I mention about trade, I come here under results. You can see this is my Discord. All the trades that I took last week, you can see this account. Let me just show you guys an example. I took this Alive account from a $1,000 account. By the time I was sharing this screenshot, you can see on my screen, I was up by $4,000. That's not the end. That was by Wednesday. By Friday, the account was up by what? The account was up by $9,000. Can you see? That's the same balance. Check the same screenshot. Can you see this? This is the same screenshot. Check the same balance. Check the same tax. That is a live account. That is the same balance. That was on Wednesday. We were up by 4,000. By Friday, by the market close, we were up by $9,000 from a $1,000 account. Bring all your gurus. Bring all your mentors. Show me somebody who can be able to make more than 10,000% gain in 1 week. All right. That is that on that particular live account. That's not the end, guys. That's not the end. Come, let me show you something. Then, I think this was on Monday yesterday. On Monday, I closed this position with what? 21,000. That is it. The same balance. Check, that's the same balance. I closed this account on 21 balance, on 22,000 something. And now, this account is no more. I don't have any running trade on this account. Look at the live account. Let me show you. This is the same live account. Can you see? The balance on this live account is almost about $23,000. And I started this account from $1,000. So that is that about Discord. I was able to update all the people in my Discord. You see, there's a channel called Resort. And if you want to be able to join my Discord, the link to my Discord community is for free. The link to my Discord community is on the video description. And when you join my Discord community, you can see there are different rooms. If you want to chat about Forex, you want to chat about NFT, you want to chat about crypto, anything you are interested in, there's a special chat room only for that, where people are in that room discussing about Forex, exchanging ideas, exchanging setups. If people want to be able to learn from me one-on-one, they can be able to go under Godlove University. That one is coming soon. I'm going to be introducing that one soon. They can go under Godlove University, their courses, their private mentees, their results. Everything you want to check is through Discord. Everything. If you want free resources, you can still get a lot of free resources from Discord. All right. So even if I just come here on this one and I go on intros, you can see I have people from all over the world. In my Discord. Intros, this person is from Lesotho, this person is from Cameroon, this person is from Nigeria, from Cameroon, from Canada, from USA, from Kenya, from Uganda, from Rwanda, from Ghana, Nigeria, from Namibia. So I have people from all over the world in my Discord sharing ideas on a daily basis. So this is a must-have app that you need to be able to have, because your inner circle will be able to tell you who you are. So if you want to be able to join with other like-minded traders, then you need a Discord app. Once you download the app, you can easily join what they call servers. And when you join different servers, that's where you'll be able to join a community of people. Discord is more like WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook, but now it is strictly for business, strictly for communication, and it is more secured and more safe. All right, so that is that about Discord, and make sure you also check the link on my video description to be able to join my Discord community. So there you go, guys. Those are the top 5 apps that I use on a daily basis, plus my bonus app. If you've gotten some value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button on the video. Let's get the video to at least 5,000 likes. And if this is your first time watching my content, make sure you also smash the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel, because I can promise you this is just the beginning. The best is yet to come, and more videos like this are going to be coming on. If you also want to be able to watch other videos related to this series, make sure you check the videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen, so that you can also watch videos in this particular series. If you want to hear from me one-on-one, make sure you check out my Patreon. Make sure you check my Patreon community, so that you can be able to join my inner circle. People I'm mentoring on a daily basis. If you want to be able to make profits like this, make sure you join my inner circle, so that I can be able to share ideas with you guys, so that I can be able to mentor you, I can be able to guide you. You can also book one-on-one session with me if you want to be able to book a one-on-one session. All the links are on the video description. And if you know how to trade, the next thing you need is a best broker. You want to use the same broker that I use check the link on the video description so that you can be able to use the same broker which I just showed you guys the profit I've made on I've made with the broker on this video. So make sure you stay profitable, stay happy. Until then, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.